Okay, to start with, you're going to take your cardstock that has the heart outlined, and then you're going to go ahead and just draw some designs on the heart, but you're going to leave a lot of white space because when you paint it, the marker is going to spread out like watercolor. So you can do maybe lines like this across the heart in different colors. But see how I'm leaving a space in between the colors? And if you want, you can even do zigzags. And don't worry if you go outside the line of the heart, because we're going to cut it out, so you don't have to stay within the line. And maybe another line here. And maybe another wavy line, and I'm going to do another one, straight line right here. So you want to leave some white space in between your colors. Then you're going to take your water and you're going to put a little bit of water on it, not a lot, but just a little bit, kind of shake it off. And you're going to start with your first color on the edge here, and you're just going to kind of go over it. And again, you don't have to stay in the lines because we're going to cut it out. Then you're going to wash off that color, put a little bit more water, shake it, and go over the next color. And see how it kind of makes a watercolor effect. Wash that color off, shake it, and go over the next color. And you want to kind of go over the white part of the card with that color. So every time you go to a new color, you want to wash off your brush and shake it. And then here's the blue. And see how I'm not staying in the lines of the heart, because I'm going to cut that heart out. I can even mix it in there a little bit. I'm going to wash it off because I'm going to yellow and I don't want to have that blue take over the yellow. And my last color here. And you can even wipe your paintbrush off on a napkin too. So I'm going to let this dry for a little bit. We're going to pretend it's dried. And then we're going to go ahead and just cut out the heart. So see, that's why you don't have to stay in the line, because you're going to cut it out. So I have my watercolor heart made. Then I'm going to take my folded card here, and my folded card, and I'm going to put some glue all the way around the edge of this heart, so, and an X in the middle. And then I'm going to glue it on top of my card. And there I have a special Valentine's Day card. Now you can also do a different design on the other heart if you want. This one you could do polka dots or X. You can make a lot of X's or polka dots. So I'm going to put some red polka dots in my heart. And maybe some purple X's. Really, you can do whatever you want. You just have to make sure you leave some white space so you can paint the markers over the white space. And then maybe I'll do zigzags. But it's really up to you what you want to do. And then maybe here I'll do like little flowers. And I'm just making sure I'm leaving some white space. And now I'm gonna paint it. So I'm gonna go over all my purple ones first. And I wanna shake off some of the water because I don't want too much water. Might need a little bit more water. And then I'm gonna go over my blue ones. And see, it kind of looks like your watercolor painting. And then my red ones. I'm kind of mixing the colors a little bit here. Wash that off. And now I'm going to go over my yellow. Really wash that off. And down the yellow line. And then I'm going to cut that out just like I did the other one. And I can make another card. But see how it's completely different than the other one. Have fun!